Are you trying to deploy multiple applications using Traefik in your Docker Swarm mode cluster? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to define host and path front-end rules for Traefik. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to set up your applications and things just don't seem to work as expected. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar challenges when configuring Traefik. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked how to proxy applications on a named host and path using Traefik labels in Docker. They mentioned that while they could access their application using just the host, they wanted to modify it to include a path. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the issue here? Traefik uses labels to define routing rules, and combining host and path rules can be tricky. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step so you can get it working. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your Traefik setup even smoother. To configure Traefik to proxy on both a named host and a path, the user needs to modify the labels in their Docker service command. First, they should add a path rule to the existing host rule. Next, the user should ensure that the path prefix is correctly set. This will allow Traefik to route requests that start with the specified path to the appropriate service. After updating the labels, the user should recreate the Docker service to apply the changes. This can be done by using the Docker service update command. Finally, the user can test the configuration by accessing the application through the new URL. They should navigate to http:/dummy.localhost/portinter in their web browser. Fun fact, did you know that Traefik was designed to be a modern reverse proxy? It's like the traffic cop for your applications, directing requests where they need to go. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution for defining host and path front-end rules in Traefik suggests using the host and path prefix functions. If the path function doesn't work, you can combine host with path prefix to achieve the desired routing. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always double-check your labels for syntax errors. A small typo can lead to big headaches, so take a moment to review before deploying. And there you have it. You should now be able to proxy your applications using both host and path rules in Traefik. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our bonus content on advanced Traefik configurations.